Yes. Hurry up. Collect from this side. Collect. Yes. Collect from this side. Please give all of you so that we can discuss. Give now. Who's left? बेटा दे दो, कोई बात नहीं अब. No talking. You have the yes revision assignment. Either the hints or the give now. Stop it. Yes. Give now. Stop it. बेटा दे दो, अब क्या कर रहे हो? और रहने दो उसका, leave it. रहने दो. No need to get. ले आओ. He was standing there for so long. Go back. Yes, be quiet, all of you. Sit properly, girls. Yes. Now the first question, give reason as to why power sharing can be good for a country. Yes. Yes. Next is, here are 3 reactions to the language policy followed in India. Which of the following holds true in case of India? Yes. The policy of accommodation has strengthened national unity. Yes, policy of accommodation means, what do you understand by this? Option you have taken, but what do you understand by this? Policy of accommodation. You should understand also. What is that? Yes. Accommodation means that special provision has not been made for any. Clear? And all languages are considered as same. No official language of the state is there. Next, point out one feature in the practices of federation in India that is different from that of Belgium. Yes. More powerful. Then they have a community government. We don't have any community government. There can be a different answer depending on which point you have taken. Next, the community government in Belgium is a good example of which form of power sharing? Yes. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोल दो, कोई भी बोल दो. Yes. Next, the Dutch government that has the power to legislate on residuary subjects. This I had discussed yesterday only with you. Yes, Malvika. Which government has the power? Yesterday you were present. What? Next. You can write the answer in the chat box. Yes. What is the difference between the central and the union government? Both are same. It's same. You have stopped studying these days. Sit down. Yes, next. Dash is referred to as social division based on shared culture and language. Yes. Ethnic. True or false? Power sharing reduces the possibility of conflict. Yes, here last. Why? And if power is not shared, then give example. Nobody should talk. Don't talk. Yes. Give example. Power sharing does not lead to conflict. If power is not shared, it leads to conflict. For example, Belgium will be the example of conflict. Naturally, if I have said Belgium, then Sri Lanka. If I say Sri Lanka, then you say no Belgium. What policy was followed there? No policy. You don't have to give explanation. Majoritarianism, uski spelling learn kar lo. Okay, then only you will be able to break up the word and learn the spellings. Sit down. Simply just copying the assignment for knowing the answer one day before will not serve the purpose. If you don't have any clarity, then again the purpose is defeated. उसका कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. And objective questions will not be same. It will be your good luck that if you get the same type of a question which has been discussed in the class somewhere. Form of question will be different. You should have understanding. Where you want to go? Some appointment is there. Ask me at the time, I'll tell. Yes. Power sharing. Okay, next is assertion reasoning. In India, the judiciary is independent of the executive and the judiciary favors the government and helps in the implementation of the plans. Yes. In India, the judiciary is independent of the executive. Is true. That doesn't matter na, that ye assertion and reasoning ke just a minute, 4 standard options are there. Clear? Ab to kitni baar kiya hai, you should remember these. And second is that judiciary favors the government and helps in the implementation of its plans. Is it true? No, it's false. Next, residuary powers are vested in the center. Just now we have discussed. False or true? Yes. Prabjot, you are in the class. For example, which are the other 3 divisions of powers? You don't have to see the book or the assignment. Tell the answer like that only. Which are the other 3 divisions? One is residuary powers. Which are the other 3? Next, yes. Yes, at the last. Yes. In the online that answer. Yes. Bolo, answer bolo. Union, state and the concurrent list. सिर्फ आंसर क्रैम करना ही आपको नहीं, आपने आंसर क्रैम कर लिया रीजन तो हमें उसके पीछे पता ही नहीं है। अगर तीनों लिस्ट के नाम आ गए और आपको रेजिड्यूरी पावर्स वहां पर ऑप्शन लिखना पड़ गया, फिर यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड ओनली। When we see the different subjects in these three lists regarding the federal character of India, what can we conclude? After we have gone through the subjects, okay, on the basis of the division which is given in the constitution, what can we conclude regarding the type of federation India has? Let me see what you understand then. Yes. उसको what, how will you speak correctly the terms? क्या terms आएंगी उसकी? No बेटा, हम कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं इसके बेसिस पे, ठीक है, थ्री लिस्ट्स एंड रेजिड्यूरी पावर्स की कंक्लूड करके हमने क्या उसका नटशेल में हमने कंक्लूजन क्या निकाला, उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं होती है, उसका आपको बताना है, दिस इज इट। यस, नो नो, not power is divided, we are talking about that only. Yes, holding together federation and what it tells about the character of Indian Federation. क्या बताया था मैंने? Unitary and federal both. Unitary in form, federal in character. You must remember this. सदा आपको 4-5 स्टेटमेंट्स आ जाएंगी, 3 स्टेटमेंट्स आ जाएंगी, उसके बाद आ जाएगा कि फ्रॉम दीज यू कंक्लूड what option you will select. You will select the wrong option if you don't know that what we are asking. इसको कहते हैं हम to read between the lines. That each and every line which you are reading, is it clear? ये जो आपके बाद में कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स होते हैं ना, नीट के एग्जाम होते हैं, दूसरे JEE के होते हैं, एक लाइन में से 4-4 क्वेश्चन निकलते हैं, एक लाइन में से। हाँ, when you are reading, so don't cram the assignments and come. You have to revise the chapter. I think so that because you are after the assignments, so that's why you are not revising the chapter only, कि बस यही करके जाना हमने. This should not be there. Yes, what do you want to ask? Float it. Yes, okay. Flow chart which I have told. Yes, first step, raise your hands. Structure of the government. Flow chart अभी question दिया था ना? Just now in the test, I told you to make a flow chart of the structure of the government in India. First level, yes. First here I have made this. First step पे क्या आएगा? Yes. Central. मतलब ठीक से बोलो क्या? Union government. Yes. First. Central भी ठीक है, union भी ठीक है. Second. State. Correct. Yes. Third. District level you have to give the division. ये पेज निकाल लो, पेज नंबर 24 and 25 निकालो अपनी बुक का, पॉल साइंस बुक, पेज नंबर 24 and 25. Revise page number 24 and 25.